हेलो हेलो हेलो।
હા સર.
हेलो।
હા સર.
સ્ક્રીન દેખાડી છે?
ના સર.
ના. ઓકે. Okay. See, first we have to create account table. All right. This is the account table. Account table having account ID, name, balance. Right. Okay. That account table is created. Now we have the message. Account is already created. Right. Now this is the insertion part. Right. Those are the record which we have to enter in a table. Right. Okay. Now this is the record is inserted. Okay, so let's start from account now. Now this is the PLSQL code. Okay, account. Okay, see. Declare begin and account balance number 11 comma 2, account number vector 6, a debit amount number 5, and minimum balance constant number 5 comma 2 colon is equal to 500. Right. Now account is equal to account underscore no. Right. We have taken this variable here. Right. Okay. Now retrieve the balance from the account table, right? Account table where the account number in the table is equal to the account number entered by the users. So see, select balance into ACCT underscore bell, right? Whatever your balance, right, it will enter in that variable, PLSQL variable, right? From account, it is a table name where 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 account ID is equal to account ID is equal to ACCT underscore NO, right? Okay, done. Now subtract an amount of rupees 2000 from the balance retrieved from the table. Whatever balance we get, right, here. So whatever balance we get, right, here. So we need to write some formula, right? Account underscore bell BAL colon is equal to ACCT underscore BAL minus debit 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 amount is a 2000 rupees, debit underscore AMT, right? 2000, whatever your account balance is minus account balance, suppose 5000, your value is 2000, so minus, and you will get the 3000 rupees in account balance, right? Now now if account underscore bell less than, greater than or equal to minimum balance, right? This is the minimum balance, mean underscore BAL, this 5000, 5000 account balance greater than or equal to 5000, it means minimum balance. Then 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 update query is fire, and update query is fire. Update account, this is your table name, set balance is equal to balance minus debit amount. Debit amount is 2000 rupees, so your amount will be debited from your actual table, right? Account ID is equal to account underscore no semicolon, right? Now we can execute. See, again declare begin There are 4: account balance, account number, debit amount, minimum balance. Account number, it's coming from user, right? Then balance, whatever your balance of account, particular account number, that balance is entered in account underscore balance variable. Now that variable having a particular balance, that particular balance then update account set balance is equal to balance minus debit amount, where account ID is equal to account number, right? Okay, exit. PL27.txt. Okay, account balance is, for example, AC003, that means Mita, right? Here her balance is 5,000, so we can check, right? PLSQL procedure successfully called. Now we can check, right? See, account balance is debited 2,000 rupees. Now our PLSQL block is perfectly run, right? Again we can check single code AC003. Now enter. Okay, now again check, balance is 1,000. Now we can check. Now it will not subtract, right? It will not subtract. Okay, a single code AC003. See, now it is not deduct, it is not subtract. See, there is the logic, right? Not enough balance, right? It means here balance is not enough. That's why it's not subtract, because condition, right? Sadiq, have you any doubt? See, this is our condition. That is why our data is not updated, right? So balance is 1,000 greater than or equal to minimum balance 5,000. It is condition is satisfied and update, right? But balance greater than or equal to uh, minimum balance 5,000, right? Right. Minimum balance is 2,000, and here is the 1,000. 1,000 greater than or equal to 2,000. It means condition is not satisfied. That means our data is not updated. So this is the our first project, which will be uh, uh, already assigned in our internal exam, right? That question is putting in internal exam. So you all are prepared with this PLSQL program. Okay, now I can stop this recording.